In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add steps on MyFitnessPal. Whether you're tracking your fitness journey or just keeping tabs on your daily activity, syncing your step data can be extremely beneficial. We'll guide you every step of the way to make sure the process is as seamless as possible. So let's dive right into it. First, begin by opening your MyFitnessPal app on your mobile device. Once the app is up and running, you'll find the option to log in. Tap on it so you can access your personal account. This is where you might need to enter your email address, along with your password. Be sure you have those handy, especially if you haven't signed in for a while. After you've entered your credentials, click the login button, which will take you to your dashboard. Here, you'll want to locate those three little dots you see at the bottom of the screen. Clicking on these dots will bring up a menu with several options. On this menu, you'll notice a steps option. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where we'll establish the connection for your step tracking. Once you're in the steps section, look for the Fitbit option and select it. Fitbit is one of the most popular devices for step tracking, and syncing it with MyFitnessPal will help you get a comprehensive view of your fitness progress. Now, you'll need to connect your Fitbit to MyFitnessPal, so tap on Connect. You'll be prompted to sign into your Fitbit account here. So again, have your email and password ready and go ahead and log in. After logging in, you might see an option to continue with Google, which simplifies the process if you use Google services. Choose the account you wish to use and then move forward by checking the necessary agreement boxes. Ensure you read through these to fully understand what data will be shared and accepted. Click on Agree and Continue once you're comfortable with these terms. Next, you'll be asked to enter your personal details. This is a critical step because how the app processes your activity can be influenced by data like your height, weight, or age, which affects your caloric burn. After entering the necessary information, go ahead and tap Save and Continue. You'll need to agree once more to continue for permissions, and when prompted, make sure to turn on all the toggles. This ensures all the necessary data is shared between your Fitbit and MyFitnessPal accounts. Hit Save and Continue again, which will lead you to a screen where you need to click Allow All. The permissions facilitate the integration between both apps, enabling them to seamlessly communicate. Finally, after clicking Allow one more time, you should be set. Tap Get Started Now, and you're ready to track your steps effortlessly through MyFitnessPal. You are now fully set up to monitor your daily step count and integrate it into your overall fitness plan. So stay active and happy tracking.